Zombie cells, I've been dying to do this video, and here it is. There's a process in your skin that happens to all of us, no matter what. Most dermatologists don't really explain it, but it's cellular. It's why you get skin inflammation, and there's a very fancy name for it, but let's keep it simple. Let's just call it zombie cells because I enjoy saying it so much. It's cells that have stopped working completely and they refuse to die and go away. Sort of like that friend that you don't really want to have around you. It's the same thing. What zombie cells do is they actively poison the healthy cells. Isn't that nice? Let's get this out of the way. I'm Nancy Reagan. I am a biological esthetician. I have under my belt 30 years and about 43,000, and now I'm over facials. Having zombie cells kind of explains what happens to our skin when we start losing estrogen as we hit menopause and all those lovely things. What zombie cells do is they release a toxic substance that inflames the other cells around and it goes into the healthy cells. It damages collagen. It also will hurt the skin barrier. And you know, that's the top layer of the skin. And it's truly one of the reasons that products may not be working for you that used to work when you were in your 30s and 40s, and now they're simply not working. Or if you've had a hysterectomy or any of those other lovely things that have triggered menopausal skin, you'll find that the products aren't working, and guess what? It's zombie cells. And it kind of goes to the analogy of it's kind of like a bad apple. So you have one bad skin cell and it's gonna damage all the others. And where did we learn this? It's in our peer-reviewed science, and it explains exactly what happens to the cells as they die, but they don't depart us. What they do is they rob us of lipids. They also make sure that it disrupts how the skin barrier functions, and even worse, it keeps our skin inflamed, which makes it so that our collagen, the elastin, don't produce the way they used to. And even worse is the normal cells don't renew because they're being blocked by the zombie cells. So what do? Prior to losing estrogen, all the other great stuff, we had cells that were going faster. You'll notice that if you're active, if you are working out at the gym, if you're eating really, really well, your cells are going faster. So as we age, the faster our cells go, the younger we are. Now, how do we replace this in the skin and fight off the zombie cells? There's a couple of ways. It's treatment, and it's also on topical. So I'll give you both. You have to keep the cellular energy high enough so it fights off the zombie cells and makes them die and go away. So you're trying to do things, for example, like microcurrent that speeds up the skin cell. There's a cycle that helps the cell go faster. The faster it goes, the better our skin looks. Microcurrent will help to do this. Peels, like having a lactic acid peel or an enzyme, will also help with this process. From a cellular energy, NAD+ in your skincare makes a huge difference in how the cell goes faster. So what you're trying to do is the zombie cells will help prevent, believe it or not, skin from absorbing certain great serums. So if you have a serum at home that's not working, it may be because you're not exfoliating properly or your cells have slowed down. And when your skin is compromised at the cellular level, this is where we see absorption issues with products. You also may see increased redness. You might see breakouts, you might see inflammation that you didn't normally have, or all of a sudden you're seeing, hey, this dehydration of the skin, fine lines, your lipids aren't producing, nothing is working. You need to be more active. And that part is so important, I just gotta tell you. So that means working out, going to the gym, doing things. Also from a cellular standpoint, NAD plus from a cellular energy will help speed up that cell cycle so that your skin will be looking pretty fabulous. So how do you get rid of those zombie cells? Okay, so I'm gonna give you a couple of ways. Number one, by the products you use. You probably knew I was gonna say that, but zombie cells won't go away when you're stripping the skin barrier. So when you're using a cleanser that's stripping the skin, zombie cells will not die and go away. They're going to, because you're stripping the skin. So what's remaining are cells that are not in great condition. So in order to start the process, your number one repair is going to be at the cleanser level. So once you get your cleanser in place and it's good, then you can proceed and go to other things, but really start at the cleanser, get it right, get it so that your skin is starting to have some turnover. So you might try an exfoliant twice, maybe 3 times a week. Am I a fan of Retin-A? It's a little harsh. I actually like the methylene blue or the blue velvet mask better, but it doesn't use something that's going to help exfoliate the skin. If you want more information, comment barrier down below and we'll send you our guide that will help you start to get a real grasp on why your skincare might not be working and why your barrier is so dehydrated or so red or so sensitive. So I'm Nancy and I'm here to help, and watch our next video. We'll see you then.